Hey guys, it's Hannah with Vibrantrestorations. Today I'm working on this little cabinet slash buffet. It's not solid wood and it has a really slippery surface. I want to paint it in chalk paint, but I've painted things before with chalk paint that has this slick surface, and if you're not careful, the chalk paint will actually like chip off really easy, or it scratches super easy because there's nothing to grab onto. So I've decided to try this product by Dixie Belle Paint Company. It's called Slick Stick. It's just this little 8-ounce container. And what it does is it bonds to this glossy, slippery surface, and it gives your chalk paint something to hold on to and grab onto. And so once you do your first coat and second coat, it's actually sealed really well so that if you hit it or bump it, the chalk paint doesn't just come off. So I cleaned this piece with a little bit of soap and water, nothing fancy, and went ahead and took the knobs off, and I'm just coating it with this now. I'm gonna do one coat and let that dry, and then it says to give it a second coat and let it wait overnight so that it gets cured a lot better. So I'm gonna do that, and once it's cured, I'm gonna go ahead and paint it with chalk paint, or I might even do a patina paint. So I'm going to do that. I'm just going to see how well it holds on to this, and just thought you might be interested in knowing as well. So. Now it also says on this container that you do not want this stuff to go down your kitchen sink, and that is why I'm using this chip brush, because I don't want to mess up my kitchen sink, and I'm sure that would not make me very popular with the husband or the plumber. I'm going to just coat this, and then I'll probably actually wrap this up in a plastic bag, and then after I do the second coat, then I can just throw this brush away, and none of my good brushes have been ruined in the process. I don't want to get this on too thick because I am going to be doing a second coat, and I don't want it globby. So I'm just going to put this on here, smooth it out, keep going. Very easy, glides right on. All right, now I went ahead and did a second coat on this little buffet of the Dixie Belle Slick Stick product, and now I'm ready to paint with my chalk paint over it. I waited pretty much overnight for the second coat to dry, so that way I'm making sure that it's really good, it's cured, and I'm not going to hit any wet spots when I go over it with my chalk paint. Up this barn red, and I thought it looked really pretty. It's kind of a rich red color, so we're going to go ahead and paint over the mermaid's tail and maybe just get ready for the holidays. So give it a good shake and open it up. I don't know why I can never get this top part to come off nice and easily, but it always puts up a fight. If you use Dixie Belle colors, let me know what one of your favorite colors is right now. I have been into a lot of blues and turquoise, but just wanted to try something a little different. Of course, I really kind of like how this turquoise is peeking through the red. I always think that red and turquoise complements itself really well. So who knows? You might get red and turquoise and we'll go with that. If you ever find that your paint is kind of getting stuck, if you use the water just a little bit, it really makes a huge difference. And these things too, you want to always make sure that you don't forget to do the insides of the legs. It's not something you want to have to come do right at the last minute. Oh, I'm really liking that. See every angle. If you want to see what this piece looked like before, the video right before this one shows it. It's not a solid wood piece, but it has a really cute look and it's a great size because it's not too big and it's not too little. Definitely something you could put in the back of your maybe large car or SUV, and it's not super heavy, but it's still a very solid piece. The top part of it had like this almost like a veneer, and it actually was chipping up, so I had to use some like a wood filler on it. And if anybody else on here likes to paint furniture, let me know what your favorite pieces are to paint. I seem to always gravitate towards the longer dressers, like the 6 to 9 drawer dressers, or buffets. I love buffets. Seems like every time I turn around, that's what I've got. But I just feel like they're so versatile. You can do anything with them. They could be entertainment centers. They look great in nurseries as like a changing table. Plus you have room to store clothes as they get bigger. I know that I actually have one buffet that's in my bathroom. I used it as a bathroom vanity. A big French provincial that somebody put out on the curb. So that was a really fun find. I always get a lot of people asking me, where do you find all your pieces of furniture? Well, I wish there was a one-stop shop, but you know, you have to go everywhere to look for them. I go on Marketplace, Facebook Marketplace, Let Go, Offer Up. I've gone to some estate auctions and estate sales. Let that dry. And because I've already got the base coat of the mermaid's tail, which is the first coat, then I probably don't even have to do a second coat of this red. I just need to figure out what I want to do with the top part. There you go. Thank you guys. Have a great day.